In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ThemeKit app, widget, and icon themes. Review plus overview. As of 2025, the ThemeKit app has become one of the most popular ways to customize iPhone and Android devices with unique widgets and icon themes, giving your phone a fresh and personalized look without needing complicated setups. Once you download and install the ThemeKit app from the App Store or Google Play, the process of applying a theme is straightforward. On opening the app, you're presented with a catalog of ready-made themes that include matching wallpapers, widgets, and app icons. Simply choose a style you like, tap on it, and follow the guided steps to apply it. On iPhone, ThemeKit works by using the Shortcuts app to replace icons and add widget layouts directly to your home screen. On Android, the process is even smoother, since the app can directly change icons and apply widgets without needing extra permissions. Using the app feels intuitive because it gives you both preset designs and the ability to mix and match. For example, you might want to use a pastel icon pack but pair it with a minimalistic clock widget and a different wallpaper. And ThemeKit allows this level of customization. The app also updates regularly with seasonal packs such as Valentine's Day, Summer Vibes, or neon gaming aesthetics, so you can refresh your phone's look anytime. A helpful tip is to save your favorite themes in the app before applying a new one, so you can easily switch back without having to rebuild your old layout. Another pro tip for iPhone users is to turn on Reduce Motion in Settings, which makes custom icons load faster and prevents delays when opening apps via shortcuts. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.